Hi, I'm Diana, and I was given this beautiful wok in return for this video. I'm going to go over all the features, and you can decide if this would be great for your kitchen as well. First off, it's made from high quality carbon steel, which means it heats up fast and evenly. No more cold spots. While it isn't made in Japan, they did use Japanese nitriding technology to manufacture this, which gives it extra strength and rust resistance. The bottom is thick so it won't warp, and the edges are thinner so it responds quickly when you adjust the heat. It works on every kind of stovetop: gas, electric, induction, ceramic, you name it. It's got a flat bottom so it sits steady, and the glass lid is great when you want to trap steam or keep things warm. It's pre-seasoned and naturally non-stick, so you don't have to fuss with coatings or chemicals. The surface has this subtle texture, kind of like a ski slope, that helps keep food from sticking. And the more you use it, the better it gets. Just a little oil after each wash, and it builds up this lovely patina that makes cooking even smoother. And it stores easily in a cabinet or hanging rack. Well, as you can see, it does a great job with cooking, but number one for me when I'm cooking in my kitchen is that I use things that don't have those chemicals and coatings. I have birds in my home, and this uses a natural way to make it nonstick. So if you're looking for a great wok that's going to perform great, also be safe around your home, definitely check this one out.